Do you think you need to be a professor or have a PhD to have a career in science? Think again. With a 2 or 4-year degree, you can jump headfirst into an exciting career where every day is different as a lab scientist. Lab scientists are at the front lines of patient care, running diagnostic tests and identifying deadly diseases to help patients get prompt treatment. They're instrumental in research to develop vaccines and prevent outbreaks. They help law enforcement, acting as expert witnesses at trials. With a career in lab science, you could work in a research or academic hospital, in-house at a pharmaceutical company, or at a research foundation for a specific disease like cystic fibrosis or muscular dystrophy. You might work for the government at places like the CDC or the FDA. You could even work at NASA. With so many paths to choose from, which one will you take? A future in lab science is waiting for you. We can't wait to see where it takes you.